Hi everyone, welcome to Woodfired Weekly at Manna from Devon Cooking School. This week we are going to be cooking pan Haggerty, a delicious potato dish from the north of England, including potatoes, cheese and onion. Very simple, we're going to be baking it in the Morso Forno today. And already in the Forno I have a pan heating up. Nice fire on the left hand side, licking over the top. And some melted butter. I'm going to start with a layer of butter in the bottom of the pan. And my first layer of potatoes, you can see that I've left the skins on. And this would originally been a very kind of humble dish. On top of there, some onions. Some grated cheddar. Salt and pepper. And some more butter. And repeat. And we're going to finish with a final layer of potato. I'm going to press that down nice and firm so it all sits down in the pan, and finish it off with the rest of the butter. And then this is going into the Forno with a fire burning over the top, but not too huge, just a kind of little flame licking over all the time. And it's probably going to take 30 to 40 minutes to cook. We're going to keep the fire burning, so the door is going to be on, but with a nice gap there to allow air in so that we can keep feeding a little bit of wood every 5 or 10 minutes. The potatoes have had just over 30 minutes. We're going to take a look. They've certainly got some nice colour on them. I'm just going to press everything down, and that just sort of pushes the butter up to the top a little bit, and then it can all run down through again. Clear it from the edges. And then I take a sharp knife and push that in. And I'm just feeling if there's any resistance at all to see if they're cooked. And there's just a tiny bit, so another 5-10 minutes and that will be done. So I'll pop that back in the oven. That should all be done by now. We'll fetch it out of the oven. A wonderful buttery, cheesy amalgamation. We could let that cool down a little bit. It would then all fuse together. We could tip it out of the tray. We can let it go completely cold and cut it up as kind of picnic slices. Or we can serve it straight from the dish and just pop that on the table and tuck in. Either way, it's going to be absolutely delicious. So that's pan Haggerty, a simple potato dish from the north of England. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you'd like a new video every week. And we'll put notes and recipe for this video on our blog, and we'll put a link to that below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.